In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the official FIFA World Cup app on Android. Now, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in FIFA World Cup. When the app appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Now, tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. Depending on your internet connection, the download may take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the FIFA World Cup app on your Android device. You can now sign in or continue as a guest and start exploring match schedules, live scores, news, team information, and other World Cup content. And that's all it takes to download and install the official FIFA World Cup app on Android. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.